Sam Larry killed that boy. Everything that happened in that thing, Sam Larry, especially C Black. Y'all got an OC Black. Y'all got an OC Black. Y'all got an OC Black. C Black is the underneath dog that y'all don't know. That boy sold Mohbad out in Ikorodu.
Ó ga o, àṣírí àwọn tán pa Mohbad mà ti tú kẹ̀. Ó mà ṣe o. Ṣẹ́yìn náà ẹ̀ dẹ̀ wá ní kú mọ́ báyìí. Ayé mà níkà o. Naira Marley, C Black, Sam Larry, Zino. Ó mà ṣe o. Bá a bá ń jà bíi ká kú kọ́ o. Bíi ká kú kọ́, ṣùgbọ́n eléyìí tẹ́ wá ṣe yìí, ó kù yín, ó kù Ọlọ́run. Ilé ayé, ilé asán, kí la wá ń gbé gbin? Kò kúkú yé mi, kí là ń gbé gbin? Ta ló wá ní kú? Alright, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. A lot of people have actually pointed accusing fingers on so many people, and then with the information that has reached us, you just heard that audio, and then that person that actually gave that information was formerly part of Naira Marley's label. He has stayed in the house, and then he saw a lot of things, and then he had codedly been able to tell it out what actually happened, and then he made mention of this C Black, and then there was one interview that both C Black, the late Mohbad, and there's Liski had, because this set of three boys were with Naira Marley. So they went for an interview in London, and a lot of people saw that interview. The way they were even responding anytime Mohbad answers any question, you already know that there is trouble for Mohbad. And right now, they have executed a lot of things. And then with that thing that that happened, that person made it clear that this same C Black was the one who called Sam Larry that want to be seen and all that. That they have buried him and all that, something like that. We all heard that audio, and then Sam Larry responded by saying, yes, so all stations settled, no case to answer. My brother, my sister, that's exactly what we are talking about. It's only the good Lord that will fight for Mohbad. Yes, may his gentle soul rest in perfect peace. A lot of people have made it clear that Mohbad's spirit is not resting. And then right now, I think the police need to do the needful. There's nothing to waste time about anymore. They were calling out the late Mohbad's friend, Bella Shmurda, and Bella Shmurda on his own part, I made it clear that why are they delaying? That delayed justice is injustice. Autopsy is none of his business. Bring out those who maltreated Mohbad when he was alive. And then this was said by Bella Shmurda that, okay, autopsy or no autopsy. Now, they told us about autopsy. Then till now, no autopsy had been, no good result. We have not heard anything till date. Now, the people are now making it clear that either you do the autopsy or not, at least this man, this late Mohbad said a lot of things, saw a lot of truth on social media, evidences on possibly how these people molested the late Mohbad, and then how even the late Mohbad talked about it. Yes, bring these people out, look for them, let them come and answer to this. At least you cannot be saying, oh, you want to settle a case while the prime suspects are not available, and then you are not doing anything to bring them down. A lot of things are actually being said. Delayed justice is injustice. Well, according to what Bella Shmurda, the Nigerian artist, he has urged the government to prosecute those responsible for the alleged mistreatment and then harassment of his late body, Mohbad, before to his untimely death. Well, the poignant appeal sparked an outpouring of sympathy from netizens around the country, reigniting public interest in Mohbad's plight. Well, onto this, Bela's mother highlighted his unshakable commitment to unearth the truth and then hold those responsible for Mohbad's greatly during his lifetime in a recent post on his social media profile. Well, he emphasized the urgency of timely justice, asserting that delayed justice is injustice. Well, he further stated, bring out those who oppressed and maltreated the hell out of him when he was alive. That's the goal, autopsy or not. He no concern me unless our government doesn't have feelings. Well, in his words, delayed justice is injustice. Bring out those who oppressed and maltreated the hell out of him when he was alive. That's the goal. Autopsy or no, it no concern me unless our government don't have feelings. Well, this had been said so far by Bella Shmurda. Well, meanwhile, the post quickly gained traction with numerous netizens flooding the comment section with messages of solidarity and agreement with Bella Shmurda's impassioned demand for accountability. Well, a lot of comments keep coming in onto this one. A lot of people have actually reacted with couple with everything that had been said. My brother, my sister, what else do you think Nigeria wants? Well, according to somebody says, well, Naira Marley, Zeno Samilari, Naira Marley brother, Zeno girlfriend, every one of them should be investigated, including the guy dead in that video. DNA test should be done. Imole must get justice. All right, this had been said by its underscore Eruku. Well, meanwhile, according to at Zamani 281 commented, well, it is very clear who the culprits are. Make then carry them come. All right, that's another one. Yes, we want Naira Marley, Zino, and then Samilari to be declared wanted wherever they are because they know a lot about this. Well, according to T Billion 40 reacted that this is exactly the justice we want. Autopsy or not, those that bullied him should be punished. Well, my brother, my sister, you heard everything for yourselves. This is exactly what we are talking about. Let those that bullied him come first and answer to it. Yes, either they are guilty or not. At least they should come and write statements. I don't see what is actually delaying them. Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of things had actually been said. May the soul of Mohbad rest in perfect peace, and exactly what it is. What more can we say, my people? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you're just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.